Over time, the radiator inside of the PlayStation 5 becomes clogged with dust, and the system overheats. To solve this problem, you need to clean your game console. Welcome to How-FixIT. In this video guide, I will show you how to disassemble the PS5 and clean it from dust. To disassemble the PS5, you will need the following tools: Torx T8 screwdriver with hole inside, and Phillips 1 screwdriver, plastic opening tools, anti-static brush, and tweezers. I also recommend using a magnetic mat and laying out each screw step by step during the disassembly process. The PlayStation 5 has 5 screws of different sizes, and when reassembling, it is very important to screw them into the right place. Due to the magnetic base, the screws will remain on the mat and you will not lose them. In the description, I left links where you can buy all the necessary repair tools. Also, in the description, you will find a link to a video where I will show you how to restore a PS5 controller after liquid damage. The game controller is the most frequently damaged device from juice or cola, and if this happens, you will know what to do in this case. Disassembly of the PS5 begins by removing the top cover, where the optical drive is located. Pull the upper left corner of the case, and after, push the cover to the right. If you are doing everything correctly, the cover should be easy to remove. Remove all dust on the ventilation grills. Also, remove dust from the back cover. Now pull up the corner of the case where the PlayStation logo is, and push the cover to the left. Also remove all dust from the ventilation grills and PS5 housing. Do not forget about the dust on the back case. All this dust gets into the cooling system and clogs the radiator. Disconnect the fan cable. I recommend disconnecting the cable using 2 spadgers. Now you can remove the fan from the PS5 and clean it from dust. Going back to the game console and check how much dust has accumulated on the radiator. This PS5 is only 5 months old from the date of purchase, and that's how much dust is already inside. From this position, it will not be possible to remove all dust from the radiator, because most of the radiator remains inside the console. Therefore, I recommend a complete disassembly of the PS5 and clean the entire radiator from dust. Of course, you can turn the game console over and try to remove the dust with a vacuum cleaner through special holes in the case. But this method doesn't remove dust from the radiator, as you will see later. At this step, you need to remove the warranty seal. If the warranty period is over, you can remove it. If not, you may void your warranty. Press down on the metal tab and remove the ribbon cable. I show it again. Press the metal lock and pull out the ribbon cable. Now you can remove the optical drive. Next, disconnect all cables from the main board. Now remove all the screws on the metal plate. Lift up the metal plate from the main board. Please note, there are thermal pads on the back. All of them must remain in place. Remove all dust from the radiator. turn the game console over, remove the 2 screws, and remove the second part of the housing. As you can see, a lot of dust has accumulated on the radiator, so the radiator grill quickly clogs up and prevents effective cooling. As you remember, I tried to remove dust with a vacuum cleaner through special holes in the case. But as I said, this doesn't work. The power supply is removed by lifting up from the main board. So let's clean the PS5 from dust and prevent overheating. The PlayStation 5 cooling system has liquid metal instead of the thermal paste that was on previous generations of the game console. Liquid metal has a longer service life, more than 5 years, so replacement of liquid metal is not necessary. It is enough to clean the PS5 from dust and the heating level will return to normal. Do not forget to clean the inside of the housing. There is also a lot of dust settling here. The game console is completely cleaned, so take a break and move on to reassemble the PlayStation 5. That's all. PS5 assembled and ready for use. Repair is finished. You are on How-FixIT, and see you guys next time.